element at any position in an array. But before starting this video, there is a prerequisite. You must watch a video titled as insertion at any position in an array, which is a part of a playlist called data structure uploaded on my YouTube channel. I will insert the link in the I button above also. So let's begin with writing the actual code. So this is the file in which I will be writing the code. I am declaring an array called as my array of size 5 having elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. After that, I am creating some variables: position for in which position I want to insert the element, value, the actual value of the element, a counter to loop through the array, to print counter for printing the value of the array elements, and size to store the size of array. Currently the size of array is 5. Position, I want to insert the element at position 3. The value I want to insert is 29. And now I will write the code to check if the position I have entered is valid or not. So if position is less than 0, then it is invalid position, because we can't insert element at -1th index, and or position is greater than size plus 1, which means if the size of the array is 5, we can insert the element at 6th position, but we can't insert the element at 7th position before inserting the element at 6th position. If the size of array is 5 and we want to insert element at 7th position before inserting the element at 6th position, then this is a invalid position. So printf invalid position, can't insert, and let's write the semicolon. Now if these conditions are not satisfied, if the position find out is valid, then we will write the code to make the room for the new element. So for counter equals to size, counter equals to what I am doing, counter equals to size, counter greater than position -1, counter minus, and we will create the room. We will create the room here. We will move the nth element to n plus 1th position. So my array of counter to my array of counter -1. I am moving the 5th element at the 6th position here, then 4th element to 5th position, and then 3rd element at the 4th position. And after doing that, I will be inserting the element at 3rd position, which is counter, and the value, and increasing the size. And after doing that, okay, increase the size, and after doing all of this, I will print the array for counter equals to 0, counter less than size, counter plus, and printf %d and my array of counter. Let's run the code, and first run the let's copy this for loop so that we can see the values before insertion and after insertion. So I am printing it here, and after that I will printf a breakline statement, so that the new array will be printed from the next line. Let's run this. So you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is our original array, and we have inserted 29 at 3rd position. Let's check if I insert the position as is -1, then it will say invalid position or not. So let's change the value of position with -1 and run it, and it says that invalid position can't insert. Now let's run it with 7. Let's run it, and it again says invalid position can't insert. Now let's try to insert the element at first position. Let's run it, and it's working. 29 is inserted at the first position. Let's run it once more to insert the element at the last position. So the last position is 6. And what I am doing here, yeah, let me run once more. Yeah, 29 is inserted at the last position. Let's do it with second last. Let's update it with 5 and run it. So it is at 29. So this is a C program to insert element at any position in an array. We will write some more code in the next video. Until then, practice more so that you will be able to write some more code. You should practice to delete any element from any position. We will discuss that video in the next part in the series of video on data structure. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.